Hi, this is Sandra with ModernDayGramma.com coming to you with a Comfort Relax mattress topper for a twin size bed. That's my husband Brian, and we're in my granddaughter's room at my daughter's house. There's the paper that comes with it. It's a memory foam mattress topper. These are all the instructions that come with it. And there it is. There's the mattress topper. It's probably got the same thing as the mattress had at our house. Let's smooth the box. Okay, there you go. It's got an outside layer that you gently cut through so you don't cut the mattress topper. Okay, and then you cut the second layer.
Or is it shrink wrap, huh?
It's shrink wrap. It's going to expand as soon as you open it. See, it's already starting to expand. And it's got like a cooling gel in it.
Here, just tie down corners.
Yeah, we got to flip it over because it's got these things to hook to the mattress. Oh, and I can't do it one-handed. I tried. I can't do it one-handed and hold the camera. There you go.
Do the same thing on the top side. That looks a little short. Maybe we should have to expand a little more, but you can get that thing
Serta Purus. And that's the rest of what's on that tag. Okay. Okay, my husband's going to come around and get the other side.
Your assistant?
As you can see, it is already starting to expand since we've opened it up. See? See, it's already expanded.
Okay, there you go.
Ooh, that feels nice and comfy. Oh, that feels so good. That feels a lot better than the mattress did. Hopefully, it'll help our granddaughter sleep all night in her own bed. Okay. Stay tuned to ModernDayGramma.com for the full review in a few days. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.